Jamaica College is represented this evening by Ryoma Muir, Mason J. Edwards, Marvin White, team captain, and Jamarli Banton. While Wolmer's Boys is represented by team captain TVJ Williams, Tennyson Richards, Javon Patterson, and Tyler Davis. Hello everyone, and welcome to the opening match in the semi-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menou. In this semi-final series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the final round. It all comes down to this: high schools from across the island have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Not time for the buzzer challenge yet. It's the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Jamaica College won and decided to send Wolmer's Boys in to bat first. So we begin with Wolmer's Boys. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it, so we'll begin Wolmer's Boys with chemistry. What is the name for an organic compound derived from a carboxylic acid and an alcohol through a condensation reaction?
Ester.
That's right, you're on the board. Chemistry, Jamaica College. What is the name for molecules with the same molecular formula but different physical structure, resulting in distinct chemical properties?
Isomers.
Isomers.
Yes.
Isomers. Isomers.
You're on the board. Wolmer's Boys, local affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Zach Levy.
No, it's Commander Alvin Gale, ODPEM Director General, Local Affairs, Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Carl Williams.
Carl
Williams.
No, it's Yvonne Clark. She's the Director General of the Jamaica Red Cross. Biology, Wolmer's Boys. What are the two main types of cytoplasmic extensions from a neuron's cell body?
Dendrites and axons.
Good. Biology, Jamaica College. What is the name for the fatty insulating layer wrapped around the nerve axons that increases the speed of electrical impulse transmission and protects nerve fibers?
Myelin sheath.
That's right. English language, Wolmer's Boys. Spell phenomena.
PHENOMENA.
That's right. English language, Jamaica College. Spell axiomatic.
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 Good. Music and audio question for Wolmer's Boys. Listen to the following clip, gentlemen. Identify this singer.
Daughter, she did have a son. She said the lift doesn't work. Run up the stairs and come. And if it don't come.
Barrington Levy. Barrington Levy.
Here I come. Correct. Music, Jamaica College. Listen to the following clip. And identify the singer here.
Cheers, I have the news. It's all the years.
Ken Booth.
Ken Booth.
Everything I own. That's right. General knowledge, Wolmer's Boys. What is the official currency in Thailand?
Thai baht.
That's right. General knowledge, Jamaica College. What is the official currency in North Korea?
North Korean one. North Korean one.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, visual question for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Vanessa Hudgens. Vanessa Hudgens.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, JC. Look at the monitor, gentlemen. Identify this actress.
So, Ashley Tisdale. Good. Ashley Tisdale.
That's right. Geography, Wolmer's Boys. In which country would you find the city of Chennai?
Vietnam.
No, it's in India. Geography, JC. In which country would you find the city of Dubrovnik?
Croatia.
Correct. Sport or visual question for Wolmer's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Blaze Bicknell.
Jamaican tennis star. That's right. Sport, JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Squash guy, Crispini. Chris Beanie. Chris Beanie.
Jamaican squash star, correct. History, Wolmer's the Gulf War of 1990 began after the invasion of which country by Iraq?
Kuwait.
That's right. History, JC, the German invasion of which country marked the start of World War II?
Poland.
That's right. Physics, and we won't have time for physics because that's the end of the opening challenge. Already scores in the match look to be Jamaica College on 9 points, Wolmer's boys on 8. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge semi-final action in schools. Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.